Welcome back to WOW Taiwan! Welcome back, welcome back.
Okay, our guests today are from a country that is famous for their delicious cuisine, focusing a lot on maize and beans.
That's right, that's right. And they're famous around the world for their ancient pyramids, as well as their spectacular holiday, Day of the Dead. Let's welcome our guests from Mexico!
In Taiwan, in your organization, you are...
I am actually the representative of Mexico in Taiwan.
What do you do?
We do a little bit of everything. Among other things, is to promote Mexican culture,
Yes.
Mexican heritage, but we also promote businesses between Mexico and Taiwan. And also we do some consular services because when Taiwanese want to go visit Mexico, they need, unfortunately, we require visa either for Mexicans to come here or for Taiwanese to go there.
Right.
So we also issue visas for people to visit Mexico.
Right.
Wow. Kind of all in one package.
All in one
place.
package, yeah, a little bit of everything, even though we're a very small office.
I heard Mexican, you celebrate by food, by your tequila, very good alcohol,
You celebrate life.
Right.
But you also celebrate death, right? In the Dia de los Muertos.
Yes. It's a party.
It's a party.
Remember, Mexicans, we are about party, right?
What's it called?
I mean, that's the stereotype, at least. But yes. I mean, for us, Day of the Dead is party of receiving our beloved people who just departed. So it's not a scary thing.
Have you seen the cartoon Coco?
Yes. Like, well, I mean, kind of like...
This.
Yeah.
You've seen the whole scene looks like this.
Oh,
Everybody has their makeup and stuff, celebrating death.
Right.
Actually, wearing the makeup and dressing and doing the parade is more recent. It's an evolving tradition that it's always like changing, because the original, this idea of let's welcome our departed loved ones because they are allowed to come to visit. So let's make a party. It's like you are receiving all your family. The only peculiarity is that they don't have body. But that doesn't matter.
But they're here.
They can eat, they can drink, they can listen to music, they can do everything,
Yep.
just that
They
you are
can-
not
just cannot
able
see.
to see them. You just feel them.
They're with you.
Yes, they are with you. So that's the basic concept of Day of the Dead celebration.
Are there any places in Mexico that are like somewhere that you have to visit in your mind?
Mexico is huge.
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, Querétaro.
Querétaro.
Querétaro is one of my favorite places in Peru. It's a very colonial place, and it's also named by the UNESCO as the World Heritage Site.
Look at the walls.
The walls, the painting, even the statues, the way they're painted.
Oh, man.
These little decorations. I'm already floored. I'm wowed already.
I'm wild already. Look at that lady. She's wild.
Now we're going on to a part of the show that we call Wow Me. And so you've already wowed us with a bit of your stories and aspects of Mexico. And now we want to hear a bit about the things in Taiwan that have wowed you. And in the meantime, when we're listening, Patty and I will be hitting buttons whenever we say wow or feel wowed by your experience.
We'll just go like
in
bam, 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 bam.
Rodolfo.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. And you have a VCR?
Yes.
Let's watch it
Well, let's check
together.
it out.
Yep. Hello, my name is Rodolfo, and I'm going to introduce you one of my favorite places in Taiwan. Here is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. This is one of the most beautiful buildings here in Taiwan, and it's a great milestone in Taiwan history. It was built to commemorate the former president Chiang Kai-shek. Here, every hour takes place the change of guard, which is impressive because of the perfect synchronization of the soldiers. Watching the beautiful scenery and experiencing the cultural joy makes definitely this one of the best attractions in Taiwan.
Yeah! 10 points for enthusiasm. Thank you. What a way to end the video. My goodness.
Next up your wifey, Lenny.
And you also have a VCR?
Yes, I also have a VCR.
Okay, let's check it out.
Hi everyone, I'm Lenny, and today I'm going to introduce you one of my favorite spots, the Grand Hotel. The Grand Hotel is classical and palace style building. In the past, many celebrities have stayed here. As you can see in the pictures, look, even Elizabeth Taylor has been here. And all this has made the Grand Hotel a very iconic spot in Taiwan. This is also a mysterious place. There are even underground passages here. Walking here, one feels like a movie star. When you come here, you'll be able to enjoy the most beautiful Oriental architecture, explore the underground passages, and enjoy the Taiwan's national banquet dishes. All these will be experiences that will stay with you forever.
Wow, okay. And so we're going to move into the second part where we're going to accumulate extra bonus points. And it's based in cultural shocks or differences that you experienced when you came to Taiwan. And Gio, do you have anything to share?
Bonus.
Bonus points.
Yeah, my shock here when I arrived in Taiwan, I was expecting to find something to eat, but it seems like all the stores are closed. I saw one person sleeping there on the floor. Like, what is this? It's so weird. Really so weird for me. For me, in Mexico, it's the most rush or busy time.
Hours.
Yeah, from 12 to 6.
Really?
You non-stop. In here, how come you're gonna close during this time? People will be hungry. There's no what to eat.
So in Mexico,
This and
there's
that
no
before.
siesta in
No.
Mexico, okay.
At least in my circle, my friends, my family, we don't take a nap.
Do you
I'm
take
wasting
naps
my
now?
time because sometimes.
This is so funny. We two cultures have a lot of similarities together.
Right,
we have
right.
hard liquor,
Right.
really good ones.
We work
like
hard,
to-
we play hard.
Right, we like to party,
Yeah.
and I think we all are passionate people. We have the
Absolutely.
hospitality,
Yep.
and we bind together perfply.
Wow, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky to have you guys on today. Thank you
Right.
so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
All right, thank you guys.
All right,
Hope
thank
you
you.
come again.
And thank you for joining us at home.
See you next time.
See you next time. WOW Taiwan. Bye-bye.